Tired of Safari opening every time you tap a link on your iPhone? If you prefer Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another browser, you can easily set it as your default. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the default browser on your iPhone. Let's get started. By default, iPhones use Safari as the main web browser, meaning that anytime you tap a link, it automatically opens in Safari. However, Apple now allows you to change your default browser to an alternative app like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave, or DuckDuckGo. Once set, any link you open from messages, emails, or other apps will go directly to your new browser instead of Safari. To change the default browser, first make sure you have the browser you want installed. Open the App Store, search for your preferred browser, such as Google Chrome or Firefox, and download it if you haven't already. Once installed, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down on the Settings app until you reach Apps and tap it. Scroll down to find the name of your browser in the list of installed apps. You can search example the Chrome app. Find the app and tap on it. You'll see an option labeled Default Browser App. Tap this option, and a list of all available browsers will appear. Select the browser you want to use, and a checkmark will confirm your choice. Your iPhone will now use this browser for all web links instead of Safari. If you ever want to switch back to Safari or choose a different default browser, simply follow the same steps, go to Settings, tap on the browser you want to set as default, and select it from the list. Changing the default browser on your iPhone is a simple way to personalize your browsing experience and make sure your favorite browser is used for all web links. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another browser, these steps will help you take full control over how you browse the web. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Otherwise, the next time you need to change your default browser, you'll be right back here searching again. See you in the next one.